Hello again, video time again, and here's one for all you Ford fans. Lovely little Ford Fiesta Titanium 1.6 with a factory fitted, optional factory fitted body kit. It really sets the car off, really looks nice. Nice looking car with the alloy wheels, and also the other option is the factory fitted heated leather seats. And it's also got the reversing camera as well, which I'll show you in a minute. Reverse sensors on the back. Decent amount of boot space these. And also you've got your blow up kit all present and correct. Privacy glass on the back as well. It makes for a very nice looking car. Controls F electric door mirrors, are folding mirrors as well. Electric windows. That's the button there for the heated seat, just press that. Nice option for the winter. All nice leather upholstery. So it's quite a rare spec on a Fiesta, even the Titanium. 100,000 miles, a full service history with that. 10 services in total. And if we just show it, there's the rear view mirror, and then if you select reverse, the camera comes up on the left hand side of the rear view mirror. So it's a nice feature. Radio CD provided by Sony. It's got the digital air conditioning, that's all working. And it's also got the USB input socket, auxiliary input socket, and the power outlet. Steering wheel mounted controls. Cruise control as well, that's on that side, and that's the high spec item for a Fiesta. Book pack with it, locking wheel nut tool, all present and correct. Got the push button, stop start as well. So there you go. Very tidy bodywork, smart looking little car. It's got the front fog lights as well. There you go. If you're interested, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.